Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today I'll be talking about what is AsyncTask in Android. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. The AsyncTask class lets you perform operations in the background. When they have finished running, it then allows you to update views in the main event thread. If the task is repetitive, you can even use it to publish the progress of the task while it's running. You create an AsyncTask by extending the AsyncTask class and implementing its doInBackground method. The code in this method runs in a background thread, so it is the perfect place for you to put database code. The AsyncTask class also has an onPreExecute method that runs before doInBackground method, and an onPostExecute method that runs afterwards. There's an onProgressUpdate method if you need to publish task progress. Here's what it looks like. AsyncTask is defined by three generic parameters: params, progress, and results. Params is the type of object used to pass any task parameters to the doInBackground method. Progress is the type of object used to indicate task progress, and result is the type of the task result. You can set any of these to void if you are not going to use them. We'll go through this over the next few videos by creating a new AsyncTask called Update Drink Task we can use to update drinks in the background. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.